नमस्कार. पळूया इंडियन ऑइल प्रुडंट टेनिस क्रिकेट. काणकाचे एसके जॉगिंग इंडियन ऑइल प्रुडंट क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंटाचे फायनलीत पावले. पणजे एसएजीच्या कांपाल ग्राउंडार जाल्ले पयले सेमी फायनलीत एसके जॉगिंगान कारापूरच्या शांतादुर्गा क्रिकेटर्साचेर 8 विकेटींनी जैत जोडले. कारापूरचे टीमीन पयली बॅटिंग करताना 8 ओव्हरीत 8 आउट 55 रन काडिल्ले. एसके जॉगिंगाचो नेहाल मांद्रेकर मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Slightly rising delivery. And yes, fine edge in the very first wicket. Oh, good shot. There is a fielder. Could that be another wicket? Yes, it is. Oh, could be a chance of a run out. And yes, Paresh is shot of the crease. Oh, reverse shot, Harshad Matondkar. The very first ball he faces, dispatched. Oh, once again, a fine edge, and the batsman started to walk off. Oh, good connection. There is a fielder. The ball is up and yes, down the throat of the fielder. It's a spring cricket. Oh, lovely shot, beautifully worked. In the gap, the ball will race away to the boundary. Oh yes, finger goes up towards the heaven. Prahlad is caught behind. Oh, lofted shot. The ball is up and huge. It's going towering. That's gone all the way for a 6. What a swing of the bat from. Good hit, but finds a fielder in the mid wicket. Could be 2 here. Oh, good throw comes in. Could be a chance of a run out, and yes, it is. Another dot ball in the making. The fielding. Good swing. That could be the first wicket. Danish is out. Paris Hinsis. स्पॉन्सर किए हैं. इसी बीच गेंद निकल जा रही है 4 रनों के लिए. बिल्कुल ये प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर संगीता ओली मैडम. अभी भी 24 रनों की जरूरत. इसी बीच कला पर आए, वहां पर फील्डर है मगर नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. देखना होगा. 6 रन है, बिल्कुल 6 रन मिलते हुए. दूसरा सेमीफाइनल. इसी बीच स्वीप का शॉट, बिल्कुल बढ़िया टाइमिंग और गेंद लगता है निकल जाएगी 4 रनों के लिए. अच्छी कोशिश नार्वेकर और वामन मयकर. इसी बीच रिवर्स का प्रयोग, वहां पर फील्डर को पाया. सुंदर शॉट था, हाँ या ना, मगर निकल गए निहाल केविन पीटरसन का. और इसी बीच ये आउट. The man at the match of the first semi-finals. Lofted shot and congratulations SK Joggings for a fantastic win. You are through to the finals.
मोर्जे वॉरियर्साक 35 रनांनी मारून घुमटेश्वर मडगाव फायनलीत पावले. दुसरे सेमी फायनलीत घुमटेश्वरान 8 ओव्हरींनी 6 आउट 80 रन्स काडिल्ले. चेज करपी मोर्जे वॉरियर्स सुवातीकच गडगडले आणि ओव्हरी सोंपता म्हणसर 9 विकेटींचे बदला 45 रनूच काडूंक पावले. घुमटेश्वराचो मतीन खान मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
And straight India and gone. And what a great start here for Morse Warriors. Today, in fact, at 3 o'clock, live coverage starts in 1:30. At this time, they are not running. They are coming on. This time, good looking shot, comfortable looking shot. The ball is racing. And you just cannot ask anything better than this. Goes again. And another one. This time again, and a good one. Good catch taken by the fielder down there, and a second wicket goes down for. And what kind of delivery that was! The ball is running towards the boundary, and whenever you ball like this, you cannot stop like those. देख घुमा के दिया घुमा के, बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट. Good looking shot, and the ball winning the race. I absolutely have no words to describe it. And you just cannot ask anything better than this. The much needed sixer. Simple catch in the end. And what a great start. So in both the innings, up. Gone. Soft dismissal. And gone. Back-to-back wickets, and Gupteshwar take a bow. उठाकर मारने का प्रयास. In the air, and another one goes down. In the air once again. It was looking coming a very good sign. So overall, in the air, soft dismissal. और इस बार घुमा कर देने का लगा है. इस बार वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद और आसान सा एक कैच. तो ये मैच अब मोर्जे वॉरियर्स के हाथ से निकलता हुआ. सभी भागना चाहते थे और अंत में and gone. और इस बार सीधे हाथ में. So last ball, and nobody is even watching at it. Good shot coming too late. It's sixer, and congratulations to
घेऊया एक ब्रेक. टुर्नामेंटाच्या निमित्तान प्रुडंट आणि द गोवनाची सकाळी एक्झिबिशन मॅच झाली. द गोवन जिंकले.
Another good shot. Flick on the leg side. They will look for two. Only a single. Good bowling from this over. Oh, a big shot. Will it be taken? Yes, it is. Oh, rising delivery, top edge, and it's taken. Prudent Media is getting a shocker. Good shot down the ground. Only a single. Will it be a run out? No.
That's a lovely shot, lovely good fielding as well. And there he tries to hit one. And that's wonderful catch by a Goan fielder. Good shot from Laksharaj, and it's going to be the first boundary of the morning. Beautiful. Tries to go for more, and he obliges with another pull shot. Just a single.
Absolutely a big shot from the captain. This is what the team wanted from the captain. Big shot over the leg side. And the wind coming from. And oh, a huge blow for the Prudent Media team.
Pleasant atmosphere.
Oh, really?
good looking shot, and that should run down to the fence. Wonderful. Once again, good hit. The ball is in the race. Who will win the race, the ball or the fielder?
Oh, tried to scoop the ball. There is no much pace on the ball.
So 44, 45 will be the target to achieve for the Goans to win this exhibition match. Oh, lovely shot, good connection, good timing, wonderfully timed shot, and that will run down to the fence. Once again, beautifully worked and played. Who has that wonderful ability to hit the ball? Oh, these are the kind of a shot which will fetch the boundaries. Beautifully worked and timed again. Gangaram. Timer, and once again the ball is up, and that's over. Score 29. A good hit, could be another boundary. Laksharaj will be just a spectator. The ball is up in there and it will fall safe. It's a boundary. Congratulations to the Goans.
घुमटेश्वर मडगाव इंडियन ऑल प्रुडंट क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंटाचे वस्ताद. फायनलीत तांणी मोर्जे वॉरियर्साक 27 रनांनी मारले. घुमटेश्वरान पहिली बॅटिंग करतना 10 ओव्हरींनी 7 आउट 93 रन काढले. जाप दितना मोर्जे वॉरियर्स 7 विकेटी वगडावन 66 रनां मेरेनूच पावले.
Oh, good looking shot. That's in the gap. The ball is racing away and will win it. That's a cracking beauty from Virat. Oh, lovely shot. There's a fielder. Just maybe fingertips to it. The ball will race away. Oh, once again the ball going sticking through. That will race away to the boundary. No need to run. Oh, maybe a fine edge. Yes, Viraj is working the first breakthrough, and Nihal is providing that. Oh, straight to the fielder. The shot. Oh, miscute shot. The ball is up in, and there is a fielder. That's the end of Matin Khan. He's disappointed. Rakesh Korgaonkar strikes.
In the air, another wicket goes down. This is turning out to be very positive time for SK Joggings. Once again, lofted shot, and it gets the boundary. Oh my God, where is going? Gone, gone, and gone. Once again, good looking shot. The fielder down there can only become a spectator. It's a good looking shot, fielder down there. And little bit misfield, but I will appreciate the fielder down there because it would have been a wonderful catch to watch. But and you just cannot ask anything better than this. It's a goes again. And it's another sixer. Gone. And in 10 overs, Bhuvneshwar managed to score 93 points.
जिस रबड़ स्टाइल है, the ball is up in there and straight to Sarvanna.
बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट उछाल दिया उसे हवा में, लेकिन वहां पे फील्डर मौजूद और
मैं पकड़ूंगा इसे, इसलिए थोड़ी ना फिर से एक बार हवा में खेल दिया. वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद सरवन्ना का ये दूसरा कैच होगा. पीछे गेंद विराज की और कड़ा प्रहार, गेंद निकल गई हवा में. देखना होगा कि कितनी लंबी चली जाएगी. बिल्कुल कैमरामैन के पास 6 रन. निहाल का रिवर्स शॉट और वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद. क्या नरू सोल्डेकर पहुंचेंगे आसानी के साथ 2 रन.
Well, always wins the match, and you can just look at it here. Good looking shot, and it's a huge.
Coming counter taken to the ball on the half line, plays straight down the ground to the sweeper. There is a field level wicket. Once again a connection, but not good enough. There is a field in the deep mid wicket. He is jogging against. Oh, lovely shot! Enough bat on that. Enough wood. Yes. Oh, what a catch!
my God!
The catch of the tournament. One-handed catch.
इंडियन ऑल प्रुडंट क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंटाच्या इनामां दिवपाच्या सुवाळ्याक बीसीसीआय इलीट अंपायर यशवंत बर्डे, फॉमेंतो ग्रुपाचो सिनियर जनरल मॅनेजर कर्नल अरुण शर्मा, इंडियन ऑयलाचो गोंय विभागाचो सेल्स ऑफिसर अक्षय गेदाम आशिल्ले. मॅन ऑफ दी सिरीज SK जॉगिंगाचो निहाल मांद्रेकार, ताका 40 इंच LED टीव्हीचे इनाम फावो. फायनलीचो मॅन ऑफ दी मॅच घुमटेश्वराचो नवनाथ नाईक.
Much gentlemen for being here with us. Of course, lady and the gentleman, beg your pardon. So before the man of the final and the man who played the key knock today in the final is Navnath Naik of Gumteshwar Warriors. Navnath, please come up and collect your prize. Really played well today. Well done. The best bowler prize and any guesses? Well, the best bowler prize goes to Gurushant Chikalegi of Gumteshwar Warriors Margaon again. You can collect your prize from Karan Parekh, a handset by Little Collection. Best batsman of the tournament prize goes to Gumteshwar Warriors Mateen Khan. Is for the man of the series, and it's Nihal Mandrekar of SK Jogging. Well done, Nihal. Very consistent. Very good performer. Well done. Really well done. Prizes for the losing semi-finalists, and I request Shanta Durga cricketers representative to come up and collect their check of rupees 15,000 for being the losing semi-finalists. Second losing semi-finalist, and it was Morzai cricketers. So Morzai have their representative here in media. Better luck next time. We have the trophies for the best bowler and best batsman. So I would like to request Gurushant Chikalegi and Mateen Khan to come up again and collect their trophies. The man of the series, Nihal, can I please request you again to come up and collect your trophy? Second last prize of the evening, and it's the runners-up prize of rupees 50,000. SK Jogging captain and vice captain can come up and collect your runners-up trophy in the umpiring world. SK Jogging, it might not have worked out today in the field, but well done in the tournament though. I wouldn't keep Gumteshwar Warriors captain waiting for too long, and Gumteshwar captain can come up and collect the big prize, the check of rupees 1 lakh. Warriors will take it away from here on. It's been great bringing you all these pictures on Prudent, whether it's the YouTube channel or the TV channel. We have loved it. I hope you have loved this telecast as well. So there we go. These are the big moments of glory. Gumteshwar Warriors, the champions. The dignitaries, I would love you to pose. Come along with the team.
इंडियन ऑल प्रुडंट टेनिस सर्तीच्या खबरो घेऊन परत मेळया. फॉलो करात प्रुडंट, पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.